Okay, so we're given an equation, P equals 0.77t minus 43.18, and it models this data. Part A, rewrite the equation in function notation. You got that just fine. All right, so I'm going to scroll this up here. Then it says, find f at 116. Well, what this means is f at 116. Notice, instead of writing t on the left-hand side, we wrote 116. So that means instead of writing t on the right-hand side, we're going to write 116. So we're going to have 0.77t, or 0.77 times 116 minus 43.18. And we grab our calculator, work that out. Ignore these little funny marks that my computer makes here. You get 46.14. So that's what should have gone there. Now, interpret the result. All right, well, we need to understand what these variables mean here. T, it says, is years since 1990. So if I plugged in 116 for T, that means 116 years after 1990. So that would be the year 2016. This number is f of t, which is also p. P is percentage of bursts. So according to the model, about 46.14% of bursts in the year, this number tells me 2016, will be outside marriage. Okay, part C, you would have, now we're going to read the question here. Find the value of f of t so that f of t equals 50. Okay, so in the first part, they gave us a t number. They told us t is 116, and we were just plugging in 116. For this part, they're telling us f of t is 50. In other words, they're giving us the p number. So they're saying 50 equals, and we have to find the t. So we're going to have 0.77t minus 43.18. And you need to solve that equation for t. So to solve for t, you would add the 43.18 over, and then you would divide by the 0.77. Now, I'm going to cheat. My computer will do that for me. We get 121.1. So this time they gave us the p number. So this 50 says 50%, and we found the t number. I'm going to write it in. T equals. We found the t number, so this is years. So this says to me, in 121 years, again, we started in 1900, so that's the year 2021, 50% of the births will be outside marriage. All right, finally part D, it says, according to the model, in what year will all births be outside marriage? Well, that's almost the exact same question they just asked us, except instead of 50%, it would be 100%. So I plug in 100% into the equation, and once again I would have to solve for t. I would have to add the 43.18, divide by the 0.77. Again, I'm going to check. I'm going to cheat, I mean. So that says it takes 186 years roughly. So that would be in the year 2086. Okay, so in your email you said you don't understand what you're plugging in. You need to understand what the variables mean. You need to understand that t is years. When I give you this symbol, this means I'm giving you the t number, I'm giving you years. Conversely, when I give you this symbol means I'm giving you the p number, I'm giving you the percent, and you have to find the t. Okay, well, I hope that helps. If not, send me a response, or if you have questions on other problems, let me know.